Hey guys, I'm Kira, and today you'll learn how to pronounce the word позже, or later. The fun thing about this word is knowing that the z disappears into the zh, making life a lot easier. Just make sure to make the zh sound slightly longer than you would normally, so that the z gets represented in the length of the consonant. Let's say the first syllable with good Russian default mouth position. Jaw slightly forward, tip of the tongue behind the bottom teeth, lips rounded and protruded. По. По. The English O closes to an U sound, O, but the Russian O does the opposite. It opens either from an O to an A sound or from an U to an O sound. Let's do it again. Жо танк липс. По. 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 The ye in the second syllable actually sounds like a schwa, and remember to lengthen the zh a little. Zh. 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 Now the whole thing. Жо танк липс. Позже. Позже. Not позже with a short or shallow sounding zh, but with a longer and deeper one. Жо танк липс. Позже. 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 That's it, guys. Be sure to subscribe on YouTube, share my videos, suggest a word, and check out my video course at unlockingrussianpronunciation.org. And if you teach Russian and you like my videos, please consider tagging me on Instagram so your students can see them too. Счастливо!